Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm making a Russian potato salad. Actually, in Russia, it's not called Russian potato salad. The original name is Olivier Salad, named after a famous Russian chef of Belgian and French descent, and was the first to create this dish. I'll be making a vegetarian version today, but feel free to add bologna or cooked chicken breast if you want a more traditional version. Gather all your ingredients. Start with cooking potatoes and eggs. You can boil them together. While the eggs and potatoes are cooking, dice the fresh cucumbers. The smaller the pieces, the better. Do the same for the pickled ones. Drain the green peas and combine them with the diced cucumbers and pickles in a large bowl. Boil for about 10 minutes, then remove the eggs. Continue boiling the potatoes for another 10 minutes or until tender. Once the eggs are done, place them in cold water for about 5 minutes, then transfer them to a kitchen towel to dry. Check if the potatoes are ready by poking them with a knife. They should be soft but not falling apart. After cooking, place them in cold water for 5 minutes, then dry on a towel. This will make them easier to peel. Peel and dice the eggs. I use a steel mesh egg chopper, but if you don't have one, a knife works fine. Dice the potatoes. Egg and potato pieces should be about twice the size of the cucumber pieces. If you're making a non-vegetarian version, dice and add the bologna or chicken breast now. When I used to eat meat, I personally preferred the bologna in this salad. Add the mayonnaise. About 2/3 cup is perfect. If you'd like a lighter option, replace about 1/3 of the mayo with sour cream. Add freshly ground black pepper to taste. Mix everything well. Taste and add salt if needed, but don't overdo it, as the pickles already add saltiness. Garnish with fresh dill or parsley and serve. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. Bye!